Your version of Windows 10 will reach end of service soon, is a pop-up message that users started receiving directly on their desktops, and it caused a lot of confusion. Some people believed that their license is about to be terminated. Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I will show you how to fix the notification of your version of Windows 10 will reach end of service soon. Open the browser, search for Windows Media Creation Tool. Click on the first link. It will redirect you into a Microsoft web page. Click on Update Now. After downloading the update tool, click on it. Click on Update Now. Click on Next. It will take some time. Please wait until it finishes. After finishing this, it will take restart, and after restarting your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.